Friends, welcome back to the new video. So today I will teach you about the various flower parts. I will draw it in front of you so that you will also learn how to draw it and how to name it properly. Okay, and someday, maybe this weekend or maybe next weekend, we will do the dissection, live dissection also. Okay, so if you see a flower, okay, you see this kind of structure, we will just name them one by one, and they have some colorful petals also. Okay, let's talk about them. Okay, so this green portion is known as sepals. Okay, this is the stalk, and the portion, green portion where it is attached to the petal, is known as receptacle. Okay, now just listen very carefully. I will draw it in the different colors so that you understand it. In the flower there is a female portion. Okay, this female portion is known as carpel. Okay, so it is like this. To reproduce, the plant need to have both male and female part. So in general, the plant will have both, okay, of them in a single flower. So I will try to draw everything from the different colors so that it is easier for you to distinguish. Okay, and we will label them one by one. Okay, so this red portion, student, this attractive portion is known as petal, flat portions. Okay, so petal can be red color, green color, orange color, yellow color, many color, right? So they act as a attractant for the pollinators. Okay, so this is known as petal. Now let's talk about the female portion. So this round, this structure, this one is known as female portion, and it contains the stigma. Okay, this elongated tube like structure is known as style, and this swollen base, okay, this swollen base is known as ovary. Okay, so together stigma, style and ovary, they are known as carpel. Okay, now let's talk about the male portion. So this green stalk, it is known as filament. It can be of any color in different species. Okay, and this blue portion, this one, this is known as anther. Okay, this is the male portion in the flower, and together the male portion, that is the anther and the filament, they are known as stamen. Okay, so this is the general structure of the flower. Okay, so I will repeat it again for you. This is the sepal, okay, and this is the stalk. The colorful portion above is the petal. This is the female part. The carpel is the, I will write it for you, this is the female part. Okay, it has a stigma. This is the sticky portion. The tube like elongated structure is known as style, and the swollen base is known as ovary. Okay, together stigma, style and ovary, they are known as carpel, and this is a female portion. And if we are talking about the male portion, then the male portion consists of the filament, and to the filament the anthers are attached. During the process of pollination, what will happen? In the process of pollination, what will happen? The pollinators like wind, or maybe we will talk about the bees. Okay, so bees, they will come and sit over the anthers. Okay, so this is a bee. I will just draw like this. So it is a bee or some insect or the birds. It will just sit on the anther. So the anther has the sticky, okay, anthers are sticky, so they will just get attached to their legs, and then they will sit on the stigma, and the anther will be transferred to here, and then the pollination will occur. Okay, so this is all. Thank you for watching the video.